Hey y'all, gonna be doing the Dawn PowerWash review. Excited. Let's flip it over, read what we're supposed to do. It says spray, wipe, rinse. Sounds easy enough, and I definitely kept things nice and dirty. Oh, look at that. Kept it nice and dirty for y'all. This was some enchilada sauce, so got a little bit of cheese in there, melted. A little crust all around the sides. It's dried up too, because I really want to see how this works. I also have a old ramekin of goodness. This was goodness right here. This was some pulled pork in there. So let's take those two and let's see how we do. So I'm spraying. The spray definitely has some pushback, you know. You gotta spray it for real. Like, you really gotta spray it. But it smells so good. The bottle says it's fresh scent, and it really does smell fresh. It doesn't smell like the regular Dawn, you know, that we used to. I wonder, did I spray too much? I don't know, but we'll see. We'll see. So just spray it and get it real good and let it sit. You know what? I also got spoon and spatula. Hey, why not, you know? We can give it a good review if we spray more of the things. So we also gonna let this. So besides the pushback, you know, other than that, it feels pretty good. It's pretty big. It is 16 ounces. And it has the little thingy mabob. If you want to turn it this way, if it's not in use, and then make sure it lines up with the yellow for use. So that's pretty nice. I love Dawn. You know, if it's good enough for the ducks, it's good enough for us. So let's see if it eats the grease. Okay, let's do this together. Got my little sponge here. And I think we should start with the pan first, because that's what we spray first. So remember, the back said spray, wipe, then hit it with the rinse, you know. So let's see what it do. Oh my god. Oh my god. Y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Come on. Let me get the edge. Oh man. That's wow. I'm shook a little. I am shook a little. Spray, wipe, and rinse, huh? These sides could use a little more sitting, so I just let it sit for about 2 minutes. I don't know, but if you ask me, 2 minutes did pretty good. But you know, if you want to, I'm noticing now, if I want to get the, you know, the really hard parts, I gotta, you know, just press a little harder, not scrub, but you know, wipe a little harder. But wow, impressive. Turn on water. Bring out the sponge. Yeah. Wow, what do you guys think? Looks like it worked to me. Wow. 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 Do I have another word besides wow? I don't know. But, cut the water off. This is quite impressive, if I do say so myself. Let's try to get it off the spatula. Look, I didn't even use the sponge yet. Look at this. It's wiping away right away. You know what? It's the power wash for me. Definitely the Dawn PowerWash for me. I am a fan. The spoon, the water hitting it. You're just coming off with the water. Do a little rub. Are y'all seeing what I'm seeing? Oh my goodness gracious. Wow. This can use a little more sitting on the edges though. But looks good to me. Looks good to me. I am still going to put these in my dishwasher. I know y'all was wondering, like, why would she rinse out the dirty inside of the clean pot that we just cleaned? But I'm still going to put it in my dishwasher. So let's try our last thing. This was the one with the grease at the bottom. You know? Let's see. See? Y'all let me forget the order. It's spray, wipe, rinse. Spray, wipe, rinse. I just did a combo here. But guys, are you a believer? I'm a believer. I'm a believer. This looks like this is it for us. This family is now a Dawn PowerWash family. And what was so sweet about this, it came with a refill bottle. Ooh. Found this at the local grocery store. Yes, I'll double check the price. I don't want to say the wrong thing for the price, you know. And you go in the store, you're expecting it this price because I said it. So we'll double check that and I'll link it down below. But this is great. I think you should try it.